Hello guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Time with Big Beto. My name is Albert and I'm a graduate student assistant at Wayne State University. Here on this channel I do talk about how international students can secure fully funded scholarships to study their respective programs here in the United States. If you want to be part of this family, I'll urge you to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Here on this episode, I'll be talking about a school giving out graduate assistantships to international students. So if you're looking to study a master program in the United States, follow me to the end of this video. The name of this university is Western Illinois University, and it's in the city of Macomb. So let's quickly go through their programs. So you just click on academics, and then you click on graduate programs, right? So these are the programs that they do offer. They have accountancy, applied stats, biology, business administration, chemistry, communication, computer science, and a whole lot, English and all that. That's me. They do not have so many PhD programs. Last time I checked, I think they have just one PhD program. But then don't worry if you are looking for a master program. Like I've always been saying in my videos, every program has its own requirement, right? So for instance, if you want to know the requirements for accountancy, just click on that, and then that is the program overview, right? This section, this is the program overview, and then so this is the on your far right is the requirement for the program, right? So they do require a GPA of 2.75, but then in the last 2 years the requirement has been 3.0, and then you need your transcripts and GMAT. Mind you, some of these requirements can be waived if you write them an email or something if you don't have them. So they have a section for enrollment for fall 2023, right? So in the fall of 2023, which is last year, they enrolled 19 students, right? Of which 2 of them were international students, and then those that were awarded with assistantship were just 2, right? And don't think the number is too low. I want to tell you that most of the domestic students, that is students with green cards and then US citizens, do not like these assistantships, so I don't think the number is quite low. So let's check another program, computer science. So the GPA requirement is also 2.75, and in the last 2 years it has been 3.0, right? And 307 people got admitted in the year 2023, that is in the fall, and 296 of them were international students, and then 12 got assistantships, right? So chemistry, 2.75, 3.0 in the last 2 years. 19 people got admitted, 14, right? So you can just do the maths. 14 of them were international students. Obviously, I can tell you for a fact that all 14 were international students, right? So you can also check out if you want to study chemistry. And English, right? 2.75, 3.0, 22 people got admitted, 9 got assistantship, right? 2 of them were international students. So the list goes on and on and on. History, the same 2.75, but in the last 2 years it's 3.0, right? If your GPA is not up to 3.0, you know what to do. I've made series of videos on how you can raise your GPA. So if you've not watched that video, just go through my channel and search for that video and watch. 9 people were enrolled, 4 with assistantship. That is for history. Maths, same GPA requirements. You will need your transcript and 3 letters of recommendation. 16 people were enrolled in the fall of 2023, and 8 ended up with assistantship, right? So they also have a department contact information. So if you want to contact them, if you want to seek for a waiver for some of the requirements, this is their email for that from this particular department. So you can email them if you want to waive something, and if you want to ask questions, if there's something that you don't understand, of course they will always help you. So physics is another interesting department. Same requirements. 11 people got admitted, 8 ended up with assistantship. So it's quite high, right? It's really high. And this is their number. If you want to phone them, you can call them. If you want to email them, you can email them. If you have questions, if you have things that you don't understand, you can always ask them, right? Public Safety Administration, same requirements. 66 enrolled, 12 ended up with assistantship. Sociology, yeah, I do get a lot of messages from my guys from social science department. So if you really want to apply, this is one good school for you. 12 enrolled, 6 ended up with assistantship. That is half, right? So these are the admission requirement: transcripts, SOPs, recommendation letters, and writing sample. It's quite simple. If you have questions, that is your department. You can email them, and if you also want to talk to me, you can check my bio. I've left a link to book an appointment with me. If you want to talk to me, of course, it's always free. You can always talk to me, and I'm always ready to help. For free, of course. Teaching mathematics, I think that is online. That's okay. It's actually they offer that on campus, Macomb, and then online as well. This is the requirement. 16 people enrolled, 8 ended up with assistantship. That is also half. It's quite easy. So you can just go through these programs, and if you are interested in any of them, you just hit on the apply button. So that is it. 5 enrolled, 2 ended up with assistantship. Yeah. So that is it for the programs, right? So this is the section that you can actually apply. If you don't know how to make the application to, I've also made a separate video explaining how you can apply, and it's quite easy. So if you want to go through my channel and watch the video. It's the same as this one, so it's quite easy. So, and one thing that I want to say is that the application for the assistantship is quite separate from the admission. It doesn't come automatically, so you have to apply for it, right? So I want to show you how you can apply for it. So you can simply come here and then search assistantships. That will make your work easier. So graduate assistantships, just click on that. That is it, right? So this is if you want to know how much you'll be paid at the end of every month, this is the current monthly stipend. So these are the available positions. So they have graduate assistant position, research assistant, teaching support assistant, and then teaching assistant, right? So these are their rates. At the end of every month, you'll be paid. For full timers, you'll be paid 1,224 every month, right? That is consistent for all the positions. And then if you want to know the difference between a full-timer and then 2/3 time. It means that if you are working full-time, you'll be working 20 hours a week, right? But then if you are a 2/3 timer, you'll be working only 15 hours a week. So that is the difference. That is why the rates are not the same. Yeah, so that is their rates. You'll be giving 816.5 per month before tax anyway. Yeah, and it's only for a year, right? So in the whole academic year, you'll be giving this money, and in that school, the academic year is 8 months. So just take note of that. So that is their rate. So this is, if you want to know the available positions at the moment, there are no available positions because school is about starting, right? I'm making this video just in case you want to start the application around October, November. The applications will open for this particular school for fall of 2025 and then spring of 2025, as well as winter and summer of 2025. So you see the available positions posted here, and this is where you apply. You click on that. So before you even apply, you must apply and get admission first, right? So you input your name here, your last name here, your first name here, and then on the admission notice you'll be given a Western Illinois University ID number. You put that here and you select your residency status, right? So this my video is for international students. So you select international students, and then you input your address, your name, your city, your phone number, your email, and the major field of study. That is the program that you got admitted to, right? You put the name here, and then your area of emphasis. That will also be written on your admission notice. So you just input that here, and then the semester you're applying for, right? Whether it's fall, spring, or something. Then you select the year, right? You understand? And then you select your ethnic origin. You are mostly, if you are African American, Black or African American, select if you are an Asian. If you are an American Indian, if you are white or whatever, you just select your origin, and then you sign, right? You can just sign, and then you hit on the submit form, and then you wait for some time, and then they will get back to you. So that is it. Thank you. That's it. That's the name of the school. If you want to apply, I'll leave the link to the university's website in the description box so you can apply from there. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on my notification bell like I always say, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you want to study in the United States and you don't know what to do, you don't know how to go about it, I want to tell you that I'm always here for you, right? So this is what you have to do. First of all, open your YouTube app, whether on your mobile device or on your computer. Search Time with Big Beto. Click on the subscribe button. Go to the channel description. There's a section that you can talk with me, right? It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay for a consultation fee or anything like that. I am willing to help you. I will just schedule a Zoom meeting with you to help you out, okay, from start to finish. So just do this and then you'll be fine, right? I just want to make sure that your dream of studying in the United States comes true. Okay, bye-bye.